Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the update on SLP. Recently, the price of SLP is rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.0021 that has been previously acting as support, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you this breakout from this down channel. And on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that this $0.0021 is a very long-term resistance that has been previously acting as a support here from the month of October 2023 up till the month of October 2024. And before that, it was working as support here in the month of May 2023 as well. Therefore, again, after this breakdown, it is flipped into a strong resistance. And I would also like to show you this very, very huge breakout that is already happened here on the 7-day time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of May 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like the trade setup or Kaito, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared almost 1 week ago with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this, the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of SLP. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several weeks or few months, it has been moving inside this channel since after the month of December, since the first week of December 2024. You got rejection here, bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, rejection, and a bounce here. Then we had another bounce here, rejection, bounce, and finally the price and broke out the resistance of the channel. But after the breakout, we had a nice short rally, but the price then could not break out this long-term resistance of $0.0021 that had been previously working as support here. Let me just show you on the 7-day time frame chart. And you can see that for several months, it had been working as a support. And before that, it was also working as a support here and almost as a support here as well. Therefore, now, after the breakdown, it is flipped into a very, very strong resistance. And now there is a probability that the price then may test once again this long-term support of $0.0012. And now if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this channel, because we have broken out this quite long channel, therefore sooner or later the pricing can start another massive reversal from here to hit the target for this breakout. And that target will be here at the top of the channel at $0.006. And now if you take a look at the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that on the 7-day time frame chart previously, from the month of November 2021 up till the month of October 2023, it has been moving inside this wedge. And after the breakout, we had a nice rally. But so far, the pricing could not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that target is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.